This is the Bracketron PwrUp 15W QI fast wireless car charger mount. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And I'm going to tell you what you get with this, and then we'll take it out to the car and show you how it works. So it arrives safely, and inside the box you are going to get the car charger mount. Feels pretty well built. Got an adjustable bottom. You're going to get the extender base with the temper bond suction cup, and this is telescopic and also adjustable right here. You're going to get my favorite, the air vent clip. You're going to get a 3M adhesive dashboard pad, about a 3-foot long Type-C to Type-C charging cable, and a 12-volt DC adapter, and of course the instructions. This is a 2-in-1 mount and 15W QI certified wireless power charger. It's made to work with QI enabled smartphones, including the iPhone, Android, and more. They said apparently maybe that means the Pixel. I don't have one of those, so not sure. iPhone and Android for sure. It's made to work with phones from 4 inches up to 7 inches, and I've got my old Galaxy S9 that I'm going to test it out on, and it is 6 inches long. The phone charger has an adjustable foot section to accommodate all the different sizes, and it's padded too, which I like, so you can adjust it and get it set into the position that you're going to need in order to charge your phone. All right, they've given us 3 different options for placing the mount. Everyone probably has their own favorite way by now, but let me show you what you got. You're going to remove this for the window mount, and that's just going to stick into a place you like, snap it into place, and once you've got it into the place you want, undo this screw here and the screw on the back. You can adjust it to whatever angle you want. You got the telescopic mount right here. Get it into the place that you want, and then you can lock it into position. On the back of the mount, you just unscrew this. Could have done all this before you suction cupped it to the window, but now we've got all kinds of different options for moving this all over the place if we want. With the telescopic arm, moving this into any position, and of course this rotates, and you can put this into any position you want. They've given us the 3-foot long USB cable that mounts here. We can run this back to here, or I actually have a USB port in here, but let's try out the 12-volt adapter, see if it works. Yep. Locks close. You can see it's charging. Buttons on either side that you can press to open it up. Very nice. The second option they've given us is the dashboard mount that works with this. I have like a rigid texture on my dash, so that's not going to work for me. And I've also got lines here, so there's no way this is going to stick on there. So not going to be an option for me, but it could be an option for you. And the third way to mount it, which is my favorite, is the air vent mount. Just back this guy out by twisting this knob. Hook it over your air vent and then tighten it. In my case, this flat surface matches up to 3, almost 4 of these, so very cool. Once you do that, put your piece here, snap this guy into place, lock it down, and you're good to go. You can get it into all kinds of different positions here with this mount. Plug it into some power. You can see it automatically closes. Let's check and see if it works with the USB power that I have in my car. Yep, it does. So there we go. This works with the USB coming out of my storage area right here. If you want to manually release the phone, like I said, there's a button on either side of here you can do that with. They say that the device may beep to remind you that the phone is still in there, so you grab it on the way out. But there you go, a nice 2-in-1 car charger and mount with plenty of options to get it into the place that you want. Works best for you, window, dash, or vent. Very nice.